baby.
Okay, Mom. Can you stop recording me?
Move. Yeah, he don't like me recording. Oh my God. Y'all, my TV went out.
We do need
And oh, it's the best birthday. My TV went out, y'all. And I ain't had no TV in my living room. And I have been waiting and waiting because trying to get my money together. You know, because bills. And look what my baby bought me. Bought his mama TV.
get off.
Yo. Happy birthday, y'all. I'm so excited. With this one, he always come through for his mama. Always. It's a great Mustang.